Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? Your boy Sneak back with another video, man. And today I'm gonna be swapping out this standard A2 muzzle brake for a linear compensator that I picked up. Well, not that I picked up, that I got sent to me from S&J Hardware. It's a Canadian company, and I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I did actually purchase this for my own, reasons and pleasure or whatever. But today I'm gonna just be taking off that A2 bird cage or A2 flash hider or whatever people call it, and putting that linear comp on. So of course, if you're gonna be dealing with firearms, remove the mag. Nothing in chamber, and I'm gonna move this right quick. All right, now I have already loosened this up, so I'm able to just take it off now. But in the spirit of the video, I will go ahead and show y'all how I did it, or how I recommend you to swap out muzzle devices. So I actually take the upper off, push these pins, push that first pin, push the second one, and take your upper off. Alright, now pretty much to do this, you're gonna need a wrench, an adjustable wrench. I recommend a rag, and also an extra towel. So pretty much what I did was I wrapped up this whole portion of my upper with this towel. I put this end of my upper on something slightly giving, so either on top of the floor with another towel, or I actually did it on my couch. Now then I put this rag, I sized the wrench to go around that. I put this rag in there to not mess up the finish on this. And while sitting on all the way on the bottom end, you don't want to be sitting. If you have accessories on your rail, you may want to take them off. You don't want to be sitting on accessories. Another way to do this is to have a vise and actually clamp this down, but I didn't feel like doing all this, so I did that, and boom, was able to loosen that, and now I'm able to just take this off. All right. Boom. So this actually already has a crush washer on here, so I'm gonna just leave that one instead of using this new one. Now we can kind of compare what I had versus what I'm gonna be putting on there. This is the standard A2 flash hider or muzzle brake or whatever, and this is my nano linear compensator from S&J Hardware. Now you can see it's actually shorter than your standard A2 bird cage. It is shorter, all right, about a little bit. And diameter, is about the same. This nano linear comp, I would say you're talking millimeters, but I would say shorter and pretty much the same diameter, although a little bit slightly larger. So now to go ahead and put this on, like I said, I'm gonna leave this crush washer on. you know, while you got this off, it's probably a good idea to go ahead and you know, maybe clean these threads a little bit. As well as the end of your barrel. Alright, and real simple, you know. So I just thread that on. And I don't know if y'all can see how this is lining up. This is the top of my firearm right here, and it has these notches on the side. I want to rotate that to where these is, you know, on both sides, to where they're completely vertical up and down. So I'm gonna put my rag back on my wrench, and I'm gonna just go the opposite way this time. I'm gonna you know, see if I can do this standing up. If not, then I'm gonna go ahead and sit on it and do the same thing to tighten it down. And actually, there we go, right there. So now I just need to, you know, check some things and make sure this is as tight as it needs to be. But for all intents and purposes of this video, I'm now complete. You know what I mean? So let me put this back on, and y'all can see how it looks. I'm not able to exactly recommend this product as of yet, because as you've seen, I just put it on here. I haven't had a chance to use it yet. But I will say it looks nice, you know what I mean? And then this is the reason I got it, because it's small, you know what I mean? It's so small, and linear compensator is what I wanted. So boom, there you go. If you're looking for a linear compensator blast forwarding device that isn't huge, you know what I mean, pretty much the same size as the A2 bird cage, but slightly shorter, actually, as you've seen. So I think this is gonna treat me well. Let y'all know when I get a chance to actually, you know, put some rounds through this thing and see how it functions and everything like that. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Make sure you like. Got any questions, anything like that, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out for now. Squat.